Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add your location to your Instagram profile using the Instagram app on your PC after the new update. This is a great way to let friends, followers, or even potential clients know where you're based. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your Instagram profile page. From here, you'll notice the option that says Edit Profile. Click on that to move into your editing settings. Inside this section, you have the ability to change things like your name, username, website, and also your bio where we'll be adding the location. Now, tap on Bio. This is the section where most people write a short description about themselves, but it's also where you can add your location. Simply type in the city, state, or country you'd like to show on your profile. Keep in mind, there's no specific location field in this update, so adding it into your bio is the best way to display it clearly for anyone visiting your page. Once you've typed out your location, take a quick look to make sure everything is spelled correctly and looks the way you want it. After that, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Submit. This will save your changes and update your profile right away. Now when people visit your Instagram page, they'll be able to see your location directly in your bio. It's that simple. This little tweak not only helps personalize your profile, but it's also a great way to connect with people nearby or let your audience know more about you. That's everything you need to know about adding your location on Instagram using the new update. Try it out today and give your profile that extra touch of personality.